today's Christmas Eve and I'm heading home now from work. I'll be working Friday again, so like it's not that good. I'm working on the holidays, but yeah, that happens. Anyway, I'm heading home now. I was supposed to film a short video, but I decided not to. So I decided to vlog instead. But I really wanted to do an epic video, not just a usual vlog. But let's see how it goes. Yep. Okay. The streets are so empty now. Like people are mostly home and enjoying Christmas Eve. I can't think right now. I'm just so tired from work. Yeah. So, heading home now, and I think I'm gonna get off at the bus and get something to eat, or yeah, prepare for tomorrow. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. What if the shops are closed? There's no point. Should I? Let's just take it. Let's just take it. Let's go. Let's get off. So I've decided to skate home, and I'm 5 kilometers away. Give me around 20 minutes of skating. So yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to skate. So let's do this. Now where do I need to go? Okay, so as I was saying, I got bored earlier, or not really bored. I was supposed to film in the city, and I decided to go home because Laura's sick. And while I'm on a train, Laura told me that she won't be at home. She has work, so I still have some time to do some other things. So decided I'm just gonna skate heading home. That train tracks are there. I'm in Heathmont. I'm around 5 kilometers away from home. So today's Christmas Eve is what I've said earlier. I've been repeating it a lot of times. Yeah, I was on my way home, and because what the fuck? Do it again. Okay, so I was on my way home because Laura's sick. I need to look after her. Thing is, she called me that she has work tonight, so I still have extra time. I was planning to film at Docklands today, or any B-roll awesome video that I can think of, but I decided to go home because yeah, Laura's sick. Now she has work, so decided I'm gonna get off one of the stations that's around 3 stations away from my place, and I'm gonna skate. Heading home. It's around 5 kilometers. Oh shit, is it off-road? Good thing it's not. So yeah, I decided to skate 5 kilometers away heading home and just enjoy the weather. The weather's good right now. This track is also nice. Yeah, you check it out. So yeah, I've been trying to find time to do some more vlogs and more videos, but the thing is, yeah, I have work and I have also my other work. Now where am I gonna go? Where's the bike lane? The fuck? Whoa. One trail. Everything's so quiet. Okay, I'm on this Dandenong Creek Trail, and yeah, everything here is so quiet. I don't know if you can hear me, it's a bit windy. Sorry about that. I might stop over and just talk to you later there. But yeah, I'm just... Hey! Merry Christmas! Yeah, always speaking. Yeah, I'm on this Dandenong River or Creek Trail. Whoa! Fucking... Look at just birds. Yeah, I'm on this trail right now, and so quiet. It's so quiet. Trying to enjoy the weather and enjoy skateboarding. This is fun. Yep. Okay, guys. So again, keep on forgetting what I'm talking about. Yeah, what? Okay, let's do it again. Okay, guys, yeah, I decided to skate from Heathmont. It's around 2 stops from my place. So from there, we're gonna go to Bayswater Station, and then that's our station, Baronia. So I've decided to skate from there home. It's around, typically if you're on a bike, it's gonna take around 20 minutes, but as of this trip, taking my time, enjoying the weather and everything else. Yeah, so the weather's really good. The place is really good. Today is Christmas Eve. Everybody's at home preparing dinner, or with family, or on a party or something. I'm still on my way home. Laura has work. But as I've traveled all to this bike path and went to some places there, some places are quiet. Some places are like... it had the same feeling when I was biking alone in the Philippines. Like, I used to bike alone when I'm bored in the Philippines. So I went to these places which are so quiet, nobody's here, and it feels kind of lonely sometimes. But yeah, the thing is, it's peaceful also. I don't know, I don't understand, but the place is really good. It's really quiet. When the sun's out, the weather's good. It's around 7 p.m. 6:55 p.m. And yeah, surprisingly, it's lonely, and I'm enjoying it. I don't know. I can't explain how it feels, but yeah, it reminds me of home when I'm traveling alone. When I was a bit younger and I was a bit a loner, not really. When I was going out to places alone, like, I don't know, hiking alone. No, I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, that guy's on a little late. Anyway, I need to go home now because I still have a few minutes away. So let's go. So this is one of the bridges I see. So one of the things about skateboarding and going to bike lanes, and I don't know, I forgot what I'm gonna say. One of the things about being on a skateboard or being on a bike or walking on foot, if you want to explore some places and you decide to go on foot, or if you're on a skateboard, you're on a bike, you get to see a lot of stuff. Like this one here, I wouldn't expect there's something like this here, and I don't know why it's here. But anyway, if you wanna explore more, if you wanna explore a place more, and if you wanna see a lot of how do you say it? If you wanna see, I'm so tired, I can't think. If you wanna make the most out of a trip, a tour, a hike, a walk, just take your time, check out places, and you go to places that you don't expect are here, or there. Sorry, my English is like sure like that because I'm tired, but I just want to enjoy this weather. The weather should be perfect. Sun's up. It's Christmas tomorrow. Anyway, I'm gonna head back. Yeah, head back to the bike path. You see, I'm really not making that much sense a bit because the thing is, I don't know. I don't know. I haven't vlogged in a while, and the touch is not there. But I'm trying to make the most out of it. Also, want to make the most out of my day. And yeah, 2020 is coming. 2019 is going, so might as well make something new. Oh shit! This is so tight. Bike path so tight. So yeah, you get to see a lot of people on the way. Also, if you're skateboarding or if you're biking, you get to see a lot of people on the road, and it's so windy. I don't know if you can hear me. I hope you can. But yeah, it gets interesting if you're riding alone. Anyway, I need to speed up a bit. Yeah, see you in a few. Yeah, so I'm currently at Basewater, and under this, I don't know what this is, bike path. Oh, this is a station. Yeah, right. Yep. Station's so empty. Nobody's around here.
In my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel the love is dead. Tension,
Yeah.
a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong.
This guy's good.
And down the waterfalls, wherever it may take me, I know